Marshmallow Rice Krispie cookies, guys. Take one. All right. So, with this one, we have some browned butter here. 2 sticks. I browned the butter. It's cooled off. So we're going to pour that in there. Smells all caramely. If that's a word.
It's worth you made it up.
All right. Now, 2/3 cup of white sugar going in. And 1 cup of brown sugar going in. So we'll give that a little mixy mix. So with that homemade brown sugar and that browned butter, this ought to be very good. Whip that all up. All right. Let's put in a couple teaspoons of vanilla. And measure with your heart if you want. That's what we do. All right.
Smells good already.
Yeah. And now we're going to put in 2 eggs. I busted one somehow. So there's 1 and 2. Guys, this is going to be so simple. All right, so right here I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And in here I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. And I will leave all the ingredients in that description box for you, along with the temperature and how long. All right. So let's give that a little mixy mix in here. All right, come back over here. I'm going to put a little bit in there. Put in a little bit more. Guys, if you haven't heard yet, we are starting a series on Tuesdays called Tuesday Vittles, and we will be making real food instead of just desserts. So I'll let you know some of the stuff that we eat, because we usually don't show you much of that. We just show you all the sweets. But we do eat real food too. Sometimes.
A lot.
We're going to mix all this up. We'll start that on July 21st, this Tuesday. So that'll be our first one. Oh, this smells so good. All right. Now we're going to put in 1.5 cups of just Rice Krispie cereal. Okay. And 1.5 cups of mini marshmallows. I had these in the freezer. That's the reason why I have them in a bag. So we're just going to pour those in. And now we're just going to get this all stirred up. How many minutes we on so far?
4:25.
4 minutes and 30 seconds, guys, to mix this stuff up. Granted, like I always say, I already have everything put out, but to make your own cookies, oh, it doesn't take very long, because that's all we do. Simple, easy recipes. All right, so we're going to pause here and let me get this mixed up real good, and we'll be right back. All right, we got them all mixed up, and now we're going to put them on our cookie sheet here. You might have to roll them into a ball instead of just using your cookie scoop, because you need to push it down in there. See how that goes up like that? So we may have to roll them. And you can chill these in the refrigerator if you want for a little bit before you dip them, if you don't want to freeze your marshmallows. But we're going to try it like this first. So I got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. And we'll leave them in there for 9-10 minutes and we'll let you know. All right, they was in my oven for 11 minutes at 350 degrees. Now, look at these. Me and Bill's been fighting over the crispy coming off the edge. See how these are? That's where some of the marshmallow melted out. That's the best part, it's crispy. I took it off of one and I said, that's going to be mine when it cools. I turn around and he's like, it's like, that was going to be mine. So there's a few, not all of them are like that, but some of them are. And I'm like, Oh, and I forgot. Billy wanted some chocolate on his, so I put some chocolate on the bottoms of a couple of them. And they would look pretty if you drizzled some white chocolate on top of them. So we got it on the bottoms of those. Guys, you just do with them what you want.
Mm-hmm. Make them your own.
So here's that marshmallow on the inside.
Good.
And a little crispy here on the edge. He didn't get that one. Oops. Really good cookie. But I will tell you that instead of 3 cups for this recipe of flour, you should use 2.5. Because 3 is too much. It was a little dry, so I added some just regular melted butter. I will leave that in the description box. Instead of 3 cups of flour, I'll put 2.5. And if you want more Krispies or marshmallows, do what you want. But this is good. But like I said, I added some more butter. I don't know how much more. But if you took out a 1/2 cup of flour, it would probably take care of it. So I will leave that all in the description box. So guys, like, comment, share, subscribe please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gators.